Hello everyone, my name is Myra and I'm the office manager for Posh Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery, and I'm also the cosmetic surgery coordinator. With that being said, there's a couple of things that I need to address as far as in your post-op care, okay? And what you need for your post-op, all right? It's super exciting to go ahead and book your surgery, and get into surgery and get discharged. However, there's so much care after and expenses, okay, after your surgery. For example, the people that are getting BBLs, liposuction, and tummy tucks, right? These are some things that I recommend you guys must have, all right? Disposable pee pads, okay? You definitely want to make sure that you don't get blood or lipofluids on your recliner, on your couch, bed, etc. Okay. Also, ABD pads, you guys could get those on Amazon as well, or also Kotex pads. Those are very good for covering your incisions and protecting your incisions while you're wearing your compression garments. Hibiclin soap, very important. Make sure that you guys are showering the day before surgery with the Hibiclin soap and the morning of surgery with the Hibiclin soap as instructed by your surgeon, okay? Hand sanitizer, guys, so important for those that are having tummy tucks and you guys get drains. It is so vital that you guys get the hand sanitizers because you'll be able to put some on the hand, right, and hold the drain and be able to, drain the drains properly, okay? To make sure you don't get clots in them is so super important. Lipofoams, very important for your compression. Compression garments. Let me spend a little bit of time with the compression garments, okay? It is so important. Our office has our own brand. We made our own fajas for the first stage, okay? Guys, you will not stay with only one faja, okay? You're gonna have to invest in 2, 3, maybe 4 fajas, depending on how much decompression you have gotten and how much more compression you need throughout your post-op, okay? I know in the beginning you're quite swollen due to a tummy tuck and liposuction, so that faja may be good for 2 weeks or 3 weeks the most, and then we're gonna have to get you into a tighter faja stage 2, and then eventually stage 3. And then some girls want to get even more compression, so they do more, okay? But yes, fajas are pretty pricey. They could go from 150 to 250, okay? So just keep that in mind, okay? Also, compression socks for anybody who has problems with DVT, swelling of the legs, or blood clotting, as DVT is called. Very important that you ask your provider if you need to wear compression socks, okay? Aquaphor ointment, very important for your incisions after you had surgery. The silicone gel is a must, right? If we want to go ahead and take care of our scars, we want to have less of the, it softens, it flattens the scar, so that's very important. And also the silicone scars, they help reduce the thickness as well, discoloration, discomfort, all that kind of great stuff. That's also really good. For my girls who are getting tummy tucks, belly button plugs is very important, okay? So make sure that you guys get all those things. Here at Posh, we have the deluxe pre and post-op recovery bag available for all of our patients. And for those who don't want to purchase the whole deluxe bag with us, right? I could also provide you guys with like links to where you could go ahead and get those things. Amazon, okay? Because Amazon does carry everything we have here except for Posh's compression garments, okay? And our medical grade silicone gel. Everything else you guys can get through the Amazon or any other supplier. Guys, this is a video that I wanted to make. I want all of my pre-ops to watch this video and get all the information they need, all the education they need, so they could be better prepared for surgery. And so that nobody is surprised, right, guys? A lot of times people think like, oh, well, nobody told me that I needed all this or these extra costs. These are very, very important. Along with the pre-op, it is so important also that we get IV therapy after our surgery. It just helps you. It just helps you recover. It helps you immunity. It gives you the vitamin, the B12, the B6, all the magnesium, all the great supplements that you need in order for you to heal much faster. All right, here at Posh, we have our own lymphatic massage therapy. As I was saying, you get 6 free lymphatic massages with us included in your surgery package, okay, that you get. We do recommend more than 6, okay? But you get 6 free with Posh. What is the advantage of getting the lymphatic massages here at Posh? Well, if our lymphatic massage therapist, who's also our esthetician, sees something concerning, she alerts the doctor right away and makes sure that we address any potential infection, any potential wound complications. I mean, it's just a whole VIP treatment here at Posh, okay? If you have any questions about surgeries, please feel free to reach out to us, 682-400-2152. If you want IV therapy, if you went somewhere else and you want lymphatic massages as well, call our office. We'll be happy to take care of you guys as well. No feelings hurt. With that being said, you guys have a blessed, amazing day, and we'll see you guys soon.